it's gonna be a long time since I'm gonna do this. It's been a long time since I've drawn Pokemon like this. Well, I have been informed that the new Pokemon game for the expansion pass, known as the Pokemon Indigo Disc, is about to debut this winter. And during that time, I have reviewed a series of new Pokemon that I've never really seen before. And I thought it would be a good idea to draw one of them up. The first one we're going to start is named Rumbling Ray. Rumbling Ray is codenames the Paradox Pokemon. Much like Zekrom, Rumbling Ray is known as a electric and dragon type. And, well, to be honest, he looks like something from one of the dinosaur shows. Oh, and by the way, just a few minutes ago, I saw this new series, Life on Our Planet. I give it a 5-star review. I love that series. Awesome. Now remember, fans, Rumbling Ray is not an official Pokemon, so it's not possibly true if he's gonna be in the new expansion pass. It's just a possibility. Yeah, I know. Now, to be honest, to be fair, this Pokemon looks a lot like Raikou, one of the legendary Pokemon. And to be honest, I'm much of a Raikou fan myself. I even have his Pokemon card, which I'll be showing off real soon. Let me just find it. I'll show it to you after this episode. What do you say, fans? Are you interested or not? Oh yeah, forgot. Gotta put this card away. It's unpredictable when I'm gonna show that off. There we go, there's Rumbling Ray's hand. Raikou is basically a Johto region Pokemon that I've already shown off in the past. Great, my tripod. Gotta make sure it stays in place. Don't want my camera falling again. I've already broke two of them. Can't break a third one. I've already broken 2 of them so far. Can't break another one. I don't have the money for it. I don't know where I can find another one. Besides, I need this for drawing episodes and showing off my shows. Just want to show you guys that I am capable of keeping my stuff in order. By the way, you know my dinosaur stuff? You know my what's it called again? Thumbnails? Oh yeah. My dinosaur thumbnails, I'm going to be selling them, the original copies of the thumbnail, for at least $75. As soon as I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to sell them for $75. You guys are happy to check it out if you want. I'm just working down here. Yeah. All right. Anyway, basically this is just a rough copy. It's no telling if he's gonna come to the Pokédex or not. I mean, the Pokédex already has 1,000 Pokemon inside it. It would be awesome to see 1,000 more on the playlist. It would be really amazing if we saw 2,000 Pokemon. I bet they would go over the line to get that many Pokemon. Would they? They already have 1,000. Imagine what would happen if they get to 100,000. Good lord. Hope they don't go up the deep end. I mean, there's no way they can create 1,000. There's no way they can create 100,000 in just 1 year. They might run out of ideas. It might burn themselves out. I mean, we've already got Terrestrializing, Dynamax, and Mega Evolution, and don't forget about the Z moves. They've already created so many new abilities. They don't need to keep adding to the Pokédex. They just need to give them new forms. More forms they give, the better the Pokemon, the better they'll be getting more Pokemon. The more quality they'll get. I mean, they get a lot of money for doing something like that. I mean, their expansion pass has a lot of Paradox Pokemon that I never really thought was possible. I didn't really think they'd be adding that many Paradox Pokemon in the game. I mean, one of them looks like Pikachu, only he's dressed up as a microwave. Another one is based on Porygon 2, called Iron Data, which basically, I feel like they're overdoing it with the whole iron word. I mean, can't they just come with something like Cyber Blaster or Cyber Pharaoh or Metal Ninja? They would have come up with better names than that. Oh, by the way, I do have the Raikou card right here. I got it in a booster pack that I saw in a commercial. Anyway, this is Rumbling Ray. I don't really know if this is an official Pokemon, except I saw it in a commercial, so it's just a possibility that they might put it in the commercial. But then again, it is an impossibility. I don't really know if they are going to add it or not. I mean, it is a possibility. I mean, we saw a regional variant of Duraludon. I really don't know if they're really going to put it in there or not. So, I'm going to need your opinion if they're really going to add this Pokemon into the Pokédex. And if so, I do want to see it being added to Pokemon Home. Basically, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and be prepared for the expansion pass coming in the distant future. Be sure to tell all your friends and your family to subscribe to this channel, and please post a comment below on what you think about this episode. Raikou, Rumbling Ray, anything is a possibility. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next episode. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.